So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and fix your errors on your particular display, where for some reason it's giving you like these random Instagram message unavailable type of errors. Now, these can happen and come up for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about here is to go ahead and make sure that your particular Instagram message that you're sending or that you're receiving or whatever the case is, you want to make sure that that message wasn't actually deleted. If the sender unsent the message, you'll basically see an option that'll say message unavailable. So if you're in an Instagram DM and then that person was sending you messages, but now it says unavailable, that person on their side may have actually ended up deleting that message. So you might want to make sure that's not the problem. Most of the time, that might end up being the issue. So that's kind of the first thing I kind of recommend thinking about. On top of that, you might want to double check and see if you were actually blocked. Sometimes you might actually end up, being blocked inside of their account. If they deactivated their account or they blocked their account or they deleted their account, those are some other reasons why you might show up kind of as like a, message unavailable type of situation. So if you're seeing those messages unavailable here, they may have blocked you or they may have been, just deactivated their account. If that's still not working, you can also try going through and try updating Instagram. So go inside of your search bar right up here, go ahead and type in Instagram just like this. And all you're going to want to do is try updating Instagram. And you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem as well. And that's another thing I recommend kind of looking at too. So those are kind of a couple of different ways of going about doing it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.